Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as the default browser on your computer. In the previous video, I have shown you how to keep Google Chrome as the default browser on your Android mobile. If you want that tutorial, I'll place the link in the description. You can watch it now. So this is for on your laptop or the computer, and this is on the Windows 10 or 11. For example, while we are reading any Windows Word document, if there is any hyperlink text or the website, if you open it by default, this gets open in the default web browser, and for my computer as of now it is Edge, Microsoft Edge. So if for any chance if you want for this link to open when you open this on the Chrome browser, you can do that. And not only here, I am using Skype. One of my friend regularly sends hyperlinks. When I click on them, all those are getting open on Microsoft Edge, but now I want Chrome. I'll show you how you can do that. Open Chrome browser, and you can click on these three dots and click on settings here, and here click on default browser, and here you will find an option called make default. And when you click on make default, it will open your Windows settings. Directly you can go to Windows settings, or you can go in that way. All that you need is you need to click on apps and then default apps. I'll show you. Under apps on your Windows, you'll get default apps, and under default apps find Google Chrome. Just scroll to bottom, you'll find Google Chrome. Okay, see here under default as I have an option called Google Chrome. Tap on this, and here you need to tap on set default, and once you click on set default, you will get a tick mark here. And now we'll check the Word document, and I'll open this link, open hyperlink. See here, now this gets opening on Google Chrome browser because I have set my default browser on this laptop to Chrome browser. And likewise you can keep whichever browser you want as a default browser. And see here on Windows, PDF will be opened in Microsoft Edge. If you don't want this, you need to tap on this, and you can select Google Chrome here also, set default. So whenever there is PDF, that gets opened in Google Chrome. If you like this video tutorial, give it a like and share it to others, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.